Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing your pool or dealing with noisy, outdated cleaners? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 Inground Automatic Pool Cleaners 2025 quiet and efficient picks that will transform the way you maintain your pool. From smart navigation to powerful suction and whisper quiet performance, these robotic cleaners are built to give your pool a crystal clear finish with zero hassle. All product links are in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Claiming the #1 spot is the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi Pool Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and connected solution built for those who want their pool crystal clear without the noise or effort. This Inground Automatic Pool Cleaner offers Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to schedule cleanings from anywhere using the My Dolphin Plus app. Whether you are at work or relaxing inside, your pool stays clean on your schedule. Its advanced wall climbing technology scrubs and vacuums all types of pool surfaces with ease, delivering a deep clean that reaches every corner. No matter the pool shape or material, this unit adjusts for optimized coverage. The top-load filter basket simplifies maintenance. Just pop it open and remove the collected leaves, dirt, and debris in seconds. With its plug-and-play design, operation is effortless. Simply plug it in, drop it into the pool, and watch as it completes a full cleaning cycle in only 2 hours. What sets it apart is not just convenience, but its quiet performance and energy-efficient operation, which saves on electricity bills without compromising results. Backed by over 40 years of innovation, Dolphin's reputation for durability and efficiency shines through in this model. Whether it's weekly maintenance or a quick clean before guests arrive, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi makes owning a pool easier and more enjoyable than ever, earning its place at the top of our 2025 list. Taking the second spot is the Aiper Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Cleaner, a powerhouse of innovation tailored for modern in-ground pool owners seeking quiet, cordless efficiency. This advanced robotic vacuum cleaner delivers exceptional performance across pool floors, walls, and even water lines thanks to its powerful suction and dynamic scrubbing capabilities. It features an extra-large filter basket that efficiently captures both large debris and fine particles, leaving your water crystal clear after every cycle. What truly sets the Aiper Scuba S1 apart is its upgraded WavePath Navigation 2.0 system, which intelligently maps out cleaning routes to ensure full pool coverage while minimizing overlap and reducing cleaning time. Unlike traditional wheeled cleaners, the Scuba S1 uses heavy-duty Caterpillar treads for superior mobility. These treads allow the unit to easily climb drains, steps, and uneven surfaces, delivering consistent performance without slipping. It adapts to your pool's specific needs with 4 versatile cleaning modes: Auto mode for comprehensive cleaning, Eco mode for low-maintenance upkeep, floor-only and wall-only options for targeted tasks. The cordless design means there are no tangled cables to deal with, making setup and removal effortless. With whisper-quiet operation and a robust build, the Aiper Scuba S1 blends power and intelligence in a sleek space gray frame. Whether you want frequent light maintenance or full deep clean sessions, this robotic cleaner ensures your pool stays pristine with minimal effort. At number 3 is the Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, a trusted and efficient cleaning companion designed for in-ground pool owners who want simplicity, power, and reliability. Engineered with wall scrubbing technology, this robotic cleaner effortlessly climbs pool walls and delivers a comprehensive clean across all surface types, though it does not clean the waterline. Its active scrubbing brush takes pool maintenance to the next level, eliminating stuck-on debris without damaging your pool's surface. The result is a consistently pristine swimming environment without the need for manual scrubbing. The top-load filter basket is another standout feature, making it incredibly easy to maintain. Simply lift, empty, rinse, and you are ready for the next cycle. This Dolphin model is built around a plug-and-play system that simplifies your routine. Just plug it in, drop it in the pool, and let it run. Within 2 hours, it completes a full cleaning cycle, leaving your pool sparkling clean and ready to use. The compact design and durable construction make it ideal for pools up to medium size, and its quiet operation ensures that cleaning does not disrupt your outdoor peace. Dolphin has over 4 decades of excellence in robotic pool technology, and the Nautilus CC continues that legacy by offering a practical solution for those seeking dependable, hands-free cleaning. With no complex settings and minimal maintenance, it is a smart choice for any pool owner looking for quiet efficiency and proven results. At number 4, the Wybot C1 Pool Robot Vacuum brings a feature-packed performance to in-ground pool cleaning with unmatched versatility and strength. This 4-in-1 robotic cleaner is built to handle not just pool floors, but also walls, water lines, and even stairs, making it a complete cleaning solution for pools of all shapes and designs. Triple motor technology gives it the power to climb slopes up to 45 degrees with ease, while advanced obstacle avoidance ensures it navigates around drains and uneven surfaces without getting stuck. The upgraded independent water pump motor delivers double the suction strength, making quick work of sand, leaves, debris, and even algae buildup. Dual PVC brushes provide a strong grip on surfaces like tile, mosaic, and glass, ensuring deep and consistent scrubbing. Smart Navigation 3.0 takes it further with high-precision sensors that intelligently map out your pool's shape. Whether you control it through the mobile app or set it to Auto Smart Mode, it deploys optimal S-path and N-path routes for full coverage without wasted time. Maintenance is hassle-free thanks to a large top-load filter basket with a 180-micron mesh that captures fine particles and rinses clean in seconds. A powerful rechargeable battery provides up to 150 minutes of continuous operation, perfect for pools up to 1,614 square feet and 9.8 feet deep. With a quick 3-hour recharge time and quiet cordless operation, the Wybot C1 offers dependable, intelligent pool cleaning in a compact, deep gray and green body.
Next on our list is the Dolphin E10 Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, a compact yet highly capable solution designed specifically for in-ground pool owners seeking quiet and efficient performance. Weighing just 6.6 kilograms, this lightweight unit delivers serious cleaning power with its active scrubbing brush that effortlessly removes stubborn dirt and debris from the pool floor. Gentle on surfaces but aggressive on grime, the Dolphin E10 ensures a pristine swimming area with every use. It features a user-friendly top-load filter basket that allows for quick removal of trapped leaves, sand, and fine particles, making maintenance simple and fast. With plug-and-play efficiency, setup is seamless. Just drop it in, plug it in, and enjoy a spotless pool in as little as 1.5 hours. Thanks to its smart navigation technology, the Dolphin E10 scans the pool layout and optimizes its cleaning path, ensuring thorough coverage regardless of pool shape or surface type. While it does not clean walls or water lines, its focused floor cleaning ability makes it perfect for smaller or flat-bottomed pools where full-surface robots may be unnecessary. Engineered by Dolphin with over 40 decades of innovation, the E10 combines durability, energy efficiency, and quiet operation in a sleek design. Its intelligent operation and powerful performance offer a stress-free pool maintenance experience, all while running silently in the background. The Dolphin E10 is a solid entry-level option that meets the essential needs of modern pool care without compromising on quality or reliability.